That's why we're excited to partner with SEMrush for this video. It's one of the best tools out there for figuring out what people actually want. You can plug in an idea and see what people are searching for, what's getting traffic, and where the gaps are. It's got 26 billion plus keywords across 140 countries. And yeah, most people think that it's just an SEO tool, but trust me, it's way more than that. You can use it to validate your idea before you build, find high intent keywords your competitors are ignoring, or even spin up landing pages that match what people are already looking for. I'm gonna show you how you can find successful business ideas just like Polyus is in SEMrush with one search right now. Go to SEMrush and find their topic research tool, search any topic or niche. Let's just do TikTok influencer since that's kind of similar to Polyus's business, but you could literally just search anything, and I'm gonna open some of the cards that look interesting, like this one, TikTok influencer marketing. On here, you can see all the questions people are literally plugging into search engines. These are the real problems people have and are actively looking for a solution. I like this one because it's not a super high keyword difficulty and there's high volume of people searching for it. So maybe there's some low hanging fruit in there. And look, right here, TikTok influencer search platform. What's the best way to hire TikTok influencers? Polyus's business can literally be tied back to a single page in SEMrush, and that's just crazy powerful if you ask me.
Most apps fail not because the code is bad, but because nobody wanted them in the first place. You don't need to quit your job or learn to code to build something real. Start smart, find a pain people are already screaming about online. Use SEMrush to see what thousands are searching for right now, then open Perplexity and say, I'm a complete beginner. Show me exactly how to build this idea. It'll literally hand you the roadmap, step by step, like your own personal AI mentor. In the next step, I'll show you how to take that plan and turn it into a working app in one weekend using Bolt. No coding, no excuses. Follow along. Step 3 is where it gets real.
So can you share your step-by-step playbook on how you build MVPs with AI?
If I'm a complete beginner, I would recommend everyone to use Perplexity. It's what I did. I just asked Perplexity because it has the most up-to-date information. So it has all the documentation, anything that you want to, any tool, any library.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value education and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take. And we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask, why? Yeah, come on. Give me some inspiration, like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Just tell it you're a complete noob and absolutely don't know how to do anything. And it'll give you really detailed step-by-step. Because it's deep research, it'll pull up a long document that you can reference and just follow along. The next step is I'd pull up Bolt and just take it one step at a time as well. So I would implement the first thing that Perplexity says. So it could be like the dashboard, importing the project, cloning a GitHub repository if there is. Once I'm in there, I just keep prompting it. And if there's errors, I just throw the error back at the AI. It fixes the error, go on to the next thing. And I use Bolt to a point where I get a nice looking MVP with the functionality. And then I take that, download the project, I put it into Cursor. And here is where I hook up like Supabase. So it writes all the scripts to connect the backend, and I get Clerk auth, and that makes it very simple to plug and play the authentication. And this is all steps that Perplexity can provide for you. So you can just ask questions along the way and it'll give you some solutions. Perplexity is a great starting point. Bolt is a great way to make the MVP, and then you move to Cursor to dial in the details. So you're 80% of the way there, and Cursor will then just get you to the final.
You've got the plan. Now it's time to stop researching and start building. Most people get stuck right here. Analysis paralysis. But here's the secret. AI tools don't just teach. They build with you. Open Bolt. Paste the plan Perplexity gave you and tell it what to make. It'll spin up your dashboard, connect pages, even fix your errors. You're not coding anymore. You're co-building with AI. Next, we'll plug your MVP into Cursor and make it a real working app with a database, login system, system and your first paying users. That's step 4. Ready to make it real?
I'd pull up Bolt and just take it one step at a time as well. So I would implement the first thing that Perplexity says. So it could be like the dashboard, importing the project, cloning a GitHub repository if there is. Once I'm in there, I just keep prompting it.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing, we use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9 to 5ers and business owners like yourself earn high ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbari.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make these kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
And if there's errors, I just throw the error back at the AI. It fixes the error, go on to the next thing. And I use Bolt to a point where I get a nice looking MVP with the functionality. And then I take that, download the project.
You've got your MVP built. Now let's turn that little prototype into a real business. Right now, your project looks great, but it's just pixels. To make it real, open Cursor, your AI code developer. Tell it to hook up a database using Supabase, add login plus auth with clerk, and boom, you've got users, data, and security handled. This is where your toy app becomes an actual product. Next, we'll polish the look. I'll show you how to design a clean landing page that converts using Framer. That's step 5, and it's where your app finally starts to shine.
I put it into Cursor, and here is where I hook up like Supabase. So it writes all the scripts to connect the backend, and I get clerk auth, and that makes it very simple to plug and play the authentication. And this is all steps that Perplexity can provide for you. So you can just ask questions along the way and it'll give you some solutions. Perplexity is a great starting point. Bolt is a great way to make the MVP, and then you move to Cursor to dial in the details. So you're 80% of the way there, and Cursor will then just get you to the final.
Your app works, but let's be real. Nobody buys ugly. Now it's time to make your app look like money. Open Framer, grab a clean free template, and focus only on what's above the fold. That hero section is where 80% of people decide to scroll or bounce. Use one clear headline that screams the benefit, a short subheading that saves time or money, and one big shiny call to action button. You're not just building an app now, you're building trust at first sight. Next, we'll get loud. I'll show you how to market your app publicly, go viral on X or Twitter, and turn those likes into sales. That's step 6, tell the world.
Really, the simplest it can be. First thing I do is I pull up Framer and I pick a free template. So any template that you see on there that you like, that's simple enough and clean for you to edit. And then I just have to pick a nice font and a nice button. And then the rest just needs to be simple and clean. The most important part is just to get it out. Focus on just editing the template really quick and just put it out there.
Cool. Based on what you built and what you've learned working on lots of marketing stuff and also on your own, what do you think is like the most important thing to focus on when you're creating a good landing page and a good design?
So I focus 80% of my time on everything that's above the fold. We'd call this the hero section. This is the first thing that people see when they open the website, and has to have your full message just out there, and people really need to grab an understanding of what it is within the first couple seconds. Anything that you can save them time with, save them money, anything that solves a painful problem, you should have in a headline and a subheading, and just a big call to.
You've built it, you've polished it, now it's time to make the internet care. Too many creators stop here, hiding their work in silence, but the winners, they build in public. Take screenshots, record mini demos, and share your progress on X, Twitter. Don't wait for perfection. Tie your post to what's trending. When you show your process, people root for you, share your story. And that's how your app goes from 0 to 500K plus impressions overnight. That's the final step. Tell the world. And it's how you turn your small AI project into a full-blown business. Now, if you want, I can show you how to tie all 6 clips into one viral mini-series format.
Thanks for sharing that. Let's dive into the marketing side of things. things? Because it seems like X, Twitter, has really been working well for you. Tell me about that strategy. Show me a tweet that really took off for you, and let's talk about that.
So this post did the most in terms of numbers. It got close to 500K impressions. And I think the reason it worked is because I found an angle to attach it to trends happening in the space. A lot of people, when they're building in public, never go viral because they never join the bigger conversation. And human attention span is limited. So it's 100 times easier to just bring your ideas to where the focus is already happening. So this post had, a nice simple visual demo, has like real, like raw human reaction, but most importantly, it tapped into the main debate at the time, which was, is AI coding actually good enough to build a full SaaS?
Thanks for sharing that. I'd love if you just shared a little bit more about the bigger strategy here, the bigger thing, which is build in public. I'd love if you just talked about that from, kind of strategy perspective, or what you love about building in public and why it's worked for you.
So for me, what's worked is just shipping often. Don't just have like one big video release like a lot of VC startups. So for example, I tapped into the influencer conversation that was happening at the time. I saw Mark Liu posting a similar format. So I figured I'd get some inspiration and then convert it into a post for Creator Hunter. What's not worked for me and what I see is there's been like a lot of competitors and copycats that come up, but they never really take off because either they're copying the exact same thing and people see right through that, and you need an edge that no one can easily copy with AI tools nowadays.
Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.